kept my hoodie folded on the second shelf. Said, it smells like you. I just laughed and held myself. You booked that weekend cabin halfway up the coast. I canceled last minute. Now I miss it the most. If I was your man again, I'd hold your hand like it could break. I learned your favorite 3 and every promise I would make. If I was your man again, I'd stay when I wanna run. I'd meet the person you were then, not the one that I outrun. You save the pictures even when you change your phone. I save my pride instead. Now I sleep here on my own. Your sister saw me, asked if I still talk to you. I said, we're doing fine, but we both knew that ain't true. If I was your man again, I'd say I'm sorry first this time. I let you in, not just pretend. I'm always okay in my mind. If I was your man again, I'd show up on your worst days too. I learned to be a soft place then, not the storm that rained on you. Maybe you're out there laughing at someone's stupid jokes, or wearing brand new memories in that old familiar coat. If you ever think about me in some quiet passing way, no, I finally see clearly what I threw away. If I was your man